Hey guys, Michael Holman here with Curt's Clocks, the Atmos repair specialist at www.curtsclocks.com. Today I want to make a quick video just showing you how to regulate the timekeeping on a 229, caliber 229 Jaeger LeCoultre lamppost clock, 8-day wind-up. Very popular clocks, really cool clocks. Here's your front. We just finished servicing this one here, so I would like to show you this while I have the back off of it. Now that's your regulating lever, right? Now focus camera, come on. Don't be that way. Oh man. There's your balance wheel ticking away. And right on top of that is your regulation lever. And that correlates, now you're gonna have the bell on the back of yours, and that correlates here. And the way you get at that when it's all put together is you slide that down. That little button there moves the plate out of the way. And so you can see that you'll just very carefully just touch that lever with a screwdriver or tweezers. And you be very careful. Now you don't want to stick it into your balance wheel and wreck your hairspring. So you just want to carefully nudge that lever, and as you can see it's to the slow side just a hair, and you just touch it and then let it run and go back and maybe adjust in a day or so. And what it's doing is just making the contact point a little bit shorter or longer on that hairspring, where it kind of rubs in between this regulation system. And so that's how you regulate that. It's important to keep in mind with these old vintage clocks that you're going to have a top end of a spring and a bottom end of the spring, your mainspring wind. Now, you wind it up for your 8-day period. So let's say you wind it once a week, and you're running, maybe a minute or two fast over a few days for the first few days of the wind. And then in the second half of the wind, as that mainspring weakens, maybe it will drop down and be more right on time or even a minute slow. You shouldn't get a ton of variation, but you will get a little bit. And that's just the way a mechanical instrument works, especially an antique or vintage one. So it's not uncommon for them, as you get to day 6, 7, to start losing time a little bit. So then you wind them up and just keep them wound once a week. And it's important to keep them wound. Don't let them sit. And when you do wind it, I have another video about this, but when you do, hold the case up here and take your other hand and wind. Don't hold it like a handle. That's how you get the wobble and looseness here. This screw will come loose up that holds this top piece in the case too. So I've went and tightened that all up for this customer, and it was loose. It's very common, and those screws run about $50 a piece now. They break all the time, and they don't make them anymore. So be careful with those. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and keep an eye out for more stuff. Thank you. Bye-bye.